If you want to create YouTube shorts that go viral and make money, then watch this video until the end. Step 1. Choose a niche or topic. YouTube shorts have become a great opportunity, allowing creators to earn tens of thousands of dollars each month. Until recently, the exact strategies behind this success were not widely known. In this guide, we'll explore how even teenagers are making thousands of dollars daily by posting faceless shorts. We'll also reveal a viral niche and walk you through creating your first video step by step. If you think shorts don't generate income, you're partially correct. Until a few weeks ago, YouTube's RPM, revenue per mille, or earnings per 1,000 views, was quite low. However, it has started to increase, with some creators now earning as much as 60 to 70 cents per 1,000 views. While TikTok pays about $1 per 1,000 views, shorts have the advantage of being significantly easier to make go viral. As a result, some creators are earning over $100,000 monthly. By applying the tips in this guide, you could potentially achieve similar success. To start, finding a viral niche is crucial but challenging for many. Through thorough research, a highly engaging faceless niche has been identified: pandas. Panda-related videos consistently attract millions of views, with creators earning thousands of dollars per video. These videos are inexpensive to produce, costing as little as $5 if outsourced, and they take only about 20 minutes to make. You will be spending $5 on a video that earns you $3,000. It's a win-win situation. Step 2. Know virality. Understanding the YouTube Shorts algorithm is essential for success. Virality isn't based on luck. YouTube identifies the most engaging shorts and promotes them widely. The key metric here is retention, how long viewers stay on your video. Shorts with high retention rates, especially longer ones, tend to perform better. Additionally, engagement metrics like likes and comments play a significant role in boosting visibility. Encouraging viewers to engage with your content can drastically increase your video's reach. Monetizing shorts does come with challenges. To earn directly from shorts, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views within 90 days, which can take new channels about 6 months of consistent posting. However, pre-monetized YouTube accounts offer a workaround, allowing you to start earning immediately while building your channel. Step 3. Gather or create footage. Use stock footage, trending clips, or record your own videos. Ensure the content is visually appealing and fits a vertical 9:16 format. Step 4. Import footage into CapCut. Open the CapCut app and import your selected footage. Trim, crop, or rearrange clips to fit the desired story or format. Step 5. Customize by adding captions or text. When creating shorts, adding captions can enhance viewer engagement and retention. Tools like CapCut simplify this process with auto-captioning features, though manual adjustments may be necessary. Customize the captions to align with your channel's branding, using bold and readable text for clarity. Once your video is complete, export it in high quality, at least 1080p, to ensure it looks professional. Step 6. Include background music or sound effects. Browse through CapCut's audio library or upload your own music. Sync audio with video. For better engagement or to avoid copyright issues on YouTube, you can go to the YouTube audio library and download the music that you like. Go ahead to YouTube, then into your profile, then go to YouTube Studio. On the left side, scroll down and click Audio Library. Then, you'll see a lot of music there. Finally, click the download icon. Step 7. Export in high quality. Export the final video in at least 1080p resolution for clear visuals. Step 8. Optimize your YouTube upload. During the upload process, make sure to check your video's title, description, and tags with relevant keywords to help the algorithm categorize and promote your content. For example, if your video is about animals, include keywords like cute animals, funny animal videos, and shorts. Step 9. Design a thumbnail even for shorts. An interesting thumbnail helps attract viewers. Use bold and colorful text with eye-catching visuals. A compelling thumbnail is also vital for attracting clicks, even for vertical videos. Step 10. Post consistently. Success on YouTube Shorts requires consistency. Experiment with various niches, formats, and styles to determine what relates with your audience. The more you post, the higher your chances of creating a viral hit. Start now, and your next video could be the one that transforms your life. Trivia time. Did you know? The rise of YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts was launched in September 2020 as a response to TikTok's growing popularity. It aimed to attract creators looking for a platform to share short, engaging content. By 2023, Shorts had become one of the fastest-growing segments on YouTube, accumulating over 50 billion daily views globally. Pandas and pop culture. Pandas are universally loved, often featured in viral videos due to their playful and clumsy behavior. The panda niche benefits from their widespread appeal and relatability. The Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding in China is one of the most popular sources for panda-related content, drawing millions of online views annually. Algorithm trivia. YouTube's recommendation algorithm is said to analyze over 80 billion data points daily, making it one of the most sophisticated systems in the world. Retention rate has always been a priority for YouTube, even for regular videos. For Shorts, retention within the first 3 to 10 seconds is often critical to success. Pre-monetized channels. Buying pre-monetized YouTube channels isn't new, but it became more popular with the rise of YouTube automation. However, YouTube's strict guidelines require buyers to ensure these channels comply with policies to avoid penalties. The power of captions can boost video viewership by up to 16%, according to studies. This is particularly effective for Shorts, as many viewers watch videos without sound. 7. Thumbnail strategy. Even though thumbnails aren't as prominent in Shorts, a visually striking one can still increase click-through rates. Bright colors and bold text are known to draw more attention. 8. Teenagers and faceless channels. Many teenage creators have embraced the faceless format because it allows them to maintain privacy while capitalizing on trends. Some have even scaled these channels into full-fledged businesses, outsourcing video creation and management. So far, in this video, you have learned that YouTube Shorts have become a powerful way to earn significant income, with some creators making tens of thousands of dollars each month, often without showing their faces. Success largely depends on finding a viral niche, such as panda-related videos, which are inexpensive to produce and can generate substantial earnings. The YouTube Shorts algorithm rewards high retention rates and engagement metrics like likes and comments, prioritizing longer, engaging videos. While monetization requires meeting specific thresholds, 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in 90 days, pre-monetized accounts can help new creators bypass this hurdle. To create successful Shorts, use tools like CapCut for captions, optimize video quality, 1080p or higher, and include relevant keywords and eye-catching thumbnails. Consistency is key. Post regularly, experiment with styles, and refine your approach to increase your chances of going viral and achieving financial success. MPW, let me ask you, what do you think? If you were to start a YouTube Shorts channel, which niche would you choose? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. So, in the next video, I'll teach you how to copy a whole channel using only AI. Curious to know how? It's for you to find out, so stay tuned for more updates that you don't want to miss. See you in the next video.